Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the topic LCM, that is lowest common multiple, lowest or least common multiple. In the previous lectures we have done the HCF. One method was of prime factorization and the other method was the division method. Now the LCM we are going to do today, I am going to explain you only the division method. Now in the division method, 70, 80, 90. Let's proceed with the first part. This is given to us 70, 80, 90. Understand only one part, the rest part all are the same. All concepts are going to be the same in this exercise. Now I can see that 70, 80 and 90 are going on the table of 2. So on the table of 2, 70 is going on 35. On the table of 2, 80 is going on 40. How you are getting to know this? Divide it. Divide 70 by 2, you will get 35. Divide 80 by 2, you will be getting 40. Divide 90 by 2, you will be getting 45. Again, out of 35, 40 and 45, you can see that this 40 is going on the table of 2. When this 40 is going on the table of 2, I am going to divide this 40 by 2, but since 35 is not going on the table of 2, 35 will remain as it is. 40 is going on the table of 2 on 20, but 45 is not going. So that means I am going to keep 45 as it is. Next, again this 20 is going on the table of 2 on 2. 35 will remain as it is because again 35 is not divisible by 2. Then 20. 20 is divisible by 2 on 10 and then 45. Again this 10. Again this is divisible by 2. 35 is not divisible. I am going to keep it as it is. Then 35 will be as it is. 10 is divisible by 2 on 5 and 45 is not divisible. So I am going to keep it as it is. Next, out of 35, 5 and 45, this 45 is divisible by 3. So I am going to divide this 45 on the table of 3. But since 35 and 5 are not divisible by 3, so I will be keeping them as it is. And 45 is divisible by 3 on 15. Now, again, the same thing. 15 is divisible by 3. 35, 5 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Now, 5 is there. 35 is also divisible by 5. So, 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 7 is there, 7 1s are 7 and 1. Okay, you have to proceed with this method till the time at the end for all the numbers your remainder is coming 1, 1 and 1. At the last you are getting 1, 1 and 1. Now what will be the LCM? LCM is going to be the product of these numbers. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. When you are going to multiply this, your answer will come 5040. And this is your first part. This is the method of doing or finding the LCM by division method. Division method means all the numbers we have taken together. This is the division method. Right? So this is your A part. Now B part. Again in the B part you can see 72, 108 and 180. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So divide 72 by 2, you will see that it is going on 36. Divide 108 by 2, you will see it is going on 54. 180 you will divide by 2, you will get 90. Now again all these numbers are divisible by 2. All the numbers are divisible by 2. So 36 is going on the table of 2 on 19. 54 is going on the table of 2 on 27. 90 is going on the table of 2 on 45. So I have written here. Now 27 is not going on the table of 2. 45 is also not going, but 18 is going. So I am going to take this 18 and on the basis of this 18 I am going to divide this complete row with 2. 2 9s are 18, but 27 and 45 are not divisible by 2. So I am going to keep 27 and 45 as it is. Next is 9, 27 and 45, all these three numbers I am going to divide by 3 because all these three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27 and 45 you can see it is divisible by 3 on 15. Again all the three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now next, again on 3. Since 1 is there, so that means we are done with this. 1 1. Now ultimately at the end we will go, it will be 1 only. Now it will remain 1. Now 3 1s are 3, 1 we have got, and 1 5 is not going on the table of 3, so 5 we are going to keep as it is. Now on the table of 5, 5 1s are 5, so you can see that everywhere you have got 1. Now what will be the LCM? LCM is going to be the product of these numbers, 2 2 2, 3 3 3 and 5. Multiply these, you will be getting 1080. Okay. Next, C part you will try by yourself. I am going to do D part for you. I am going to explain you D part. C part you are going to try by yourself. Now in the D part we are having 4 numbers. So we are going to check among all the 4 numbers, these all 4 numbers are going on which common table. Firstly, these all are the even numbers, so these are going on the table of 2 on 60. Then this, if I am going to divide by 2, it will give me 108. 180 when divided by 2 will give me 90, and 350 when I am going to divide by 2, it is going to give me 175. Okay, 350 you will divide by 2, you will get 175. Now 60, 108, 90, all these 3 numbers are divisible by 2. But since 5 is there, so this is not divisible by 2. It will be as it is in the next row. 60 will be divisible by 2 on 30. 108 will be divisible by 2 on 54. Same way 90 will be divisible by 2 on 45. Now the next, 30, 54, again these two are divisible by 2. But 45 and 175 are not divisible by 2. So in the next row, 45 and 175 we are going to keep as it is, and 30 you are going to divide by 2 on 15, 54 you are going to divide by 2 on 27. All these numbers except 175 are divisible by 3. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, and 45 is divisible by 3 on 15. 175 will remain as it is. 9 and 15 are divisible by 3. So 5 will remain as it is because 5 is not divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, and 175 is as it is. Again 3 number is there, 5 is not divisible, 5 we have kept as it is. Here also 5 will come. Next, then what will come? This is on 3. 175 is not going, so 175 will be as it is. On the table of 5, this 5 and this 175 is divisible. So 5 1s are 5. Since we have already got 1 here, here also 1 will come. 5 5s are 5 on the table of 5. 5 will go on 1, so here also 1, and this is on 35. Then 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are. Multiply all these, you will be getting the product, which is 8400, and that is going to be your LCM. Next, E part, try by yourself. F part, try by yourself. These are very easy. Okay, you can pause the video to note it down to try them by yourself. E part, F part, you can try by yourself. Now G part also you can try it by yourself. This is very easy. I'll be doing H part for you. Okay, let me show you by writing this part. 175, 65, 120 and 100. Let us divide these on the table of 2 first, because 120 and 100 are divisible by 2. 175 as it is, 65 as it is, 120 is divisible by 2 on 60, and this is divisible by 2 on 50. Again these two are divisible by 2. So 175, 65, 30, 25. 60 is divisible by 2 on 30, 50 is divisible by 2 on 25. Now if you are going to see, this 30 is now still divisible by 2. So on 2, 175 as it is, 65 as it is, 15 and 25 as it is, because 25 is not divisible. Next, 3. If I am going to check on 3, 175 is not going, so I am going to keep as it is. 65 is not going, I am going to keep it as it is. 15 is going on the table of 3, yes, on 3, and then 25. Next, on the table of 5, I can see all these numbers are going. 175 is going on the table of 5 on 35. This is going on 13. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Now again 5 sevens are 35. 13 is not divisible, so I'm going to keep it as it is. 1 we have obtained, so 1 as it is, and 5 on the table of 5 is going on 1. Now these two are the prime numbers. On the table of 7 only 7 will go. 7, 13, 1, 1. And here 13, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So when you are going to find the product of these numbers, you are going to find the LCM. And the LCM of this is going to be 54600. You can pause the video to note it down. Similarly, I part you will try by yourself. Now this question number 2 you are going to do in the book. You have to here fill in the blanks. All these circles are the fill in the blanks. These are the missing numbers. All these are the missing numbers which you have to find. Now see here. How you are going to check that which number is going to come here when all of these numbers are given to you. See, this is 30 and in the next row I am getting 15. This is 40, in the next I am getting 20, and this is 50, in the next I am getting 25. So that means all these three numbers are divided by 2. So on the table of 2, 30 is going on 15, on 2, 40 is going on 20, and on 2, 50 is going on 25. Next step. Now let us see this row. For this row, 15 is as it is, 35 is as it is, 20, 10 is there now. So that means this 20 we have divided by 2. That's why we have got 10. And then 25 will be as it is because 25 is not divisible by 2. Right? See the next now. Now this 15, 3. When we divided this 15 by certain number, we got 3. 35 by 7. 10, we got 2. And then 25, we got 5. That means all these numbers are divided by 5. Because 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. And 5 5s are 25. Done. Next. 3, 7 and 2 are as it is, but 5 we have got 1. That means this 5 is divisible by this 5 on 1. Next, 7 as it is, 3 is there, here we have got 1. So that means we are going to divide this number by 3, right? And 7 2 is as it is. Similarly, in the next row, 1 is there, so that means this complete row is divisible by 7. And then 2 is there, so that means this complete row is divisible by 2. And when you're going to find the LCM, LCM means you're going to multiply all these numbers, you will be getting this 4200. This question number 2 you have to do in the book. Okay, and this is your exercise 4.7. Complete this exercise in your notebook. Question number 1. Thank you. Hi everyone. Now in exercise 4.8, we have to identify the other number. When first number, HCF and LCM is given and then you have to find the second number, then how you are going to find the second number? You have to apply a formula for that. And what is the formula? Formula is when HCF is given, when LCM is given, and out of the two numbers, let the first number be there. It is already given and you have to find the second number or the other number. You have to find. In such case, you are going to have a formula which is product of HCF and LCM is equals to first number into second number. Now what is the meaning of this? This means when you are going to find the product of HCF and LCM of the two numbers, that is going to be equals to the product of those two numbers. For example, let us start with A part. HCF is already given. HCF is 3. LCM is 126. The first number, let the first number we assume as A and the second number we assume as B. So A is there and the value of A is 21. You have to find second number which is B. So instead of all these I am writing HCF into LCM equals to first number which is A into B. What is HCF? 3. What is LCM? 126. What is the value of A? 21 into B we have to find. You can take this also B, this also A, that is completely your choice. Now 3 into 126, 21 is in multiply with B. So this 21 will go to the other side in divide equals to B. 21 ones are 21, 6 are 126. So 6 3s are 18. That means the other number is B. So you can see other number is 18. So you can see the solution of the first part and you have to write this formula. This is the formula which you have to apply. In this you have to place the given values of HCF and LCM. Okay. Similarly, let's do the B part. Same concept is there. Now in this, HCF is given 8, LCM is given 224. First number, that means A is given, which is 56. Then you have to find the second number. This you have to find. Now take the product. HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. What is the HCF? 8. What is the LCM? 224. What is the first number? 56. And then multiply by B, because you have to find the value of this B. So now how you are going to solve this? 8 into 224 will come as it is, and this 56 will go to the other side. 8 into 224 upon 56. How you are going to solve this? 8 ones are, 8 sevens are, 7 ones are, and this 224, when I am going to divide by 7, this will give me 32. So therefore the value of B is 32. That means the other number is 32. See the solution. Similarly, now you can do the C part, and this C part you are going to try by yourself, and make sure that in every question you are writing this formula. Okay, complete this exercise 4.8 till question number 1, all these 3 parts. Thank you.